Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more awesome reviews and tips. Today we are exploring a system that's been making waves, the yellow brick formula. Is it really as good as people say? Let's dive in and see if it's worth your time. The yellow brick formula is an online trading strategy designed to help individuals generate consistent profit with minimal risk. Focused on microscope cryptocurrencies, it offers a simple, actionable process for identifying high potential coins that can yield significant returns in a short period. The system allows users to make trades with minimal time investment, typically 30 to 60 minutes per day, while bypassing traditional online business hassles like products, marketing, or traffic generation. This formula emphasizes a repeatable low-risk approach where traders can leverage quick, high-reward opportunities with a proven track record of success. Students have reported substantial gains, making it a valuable method for building wealth without relying on external marketing conditions. So guys, stick around as we break down the key features, benefits, and my personal thought on why the yellow brick formula is a solid investment. And be sure to check out the description box below to grab your copy of this powerful system. Let's jump into the details. This yellow brick formula front end price only $19 with 6 free bonus included. Here's everything you get when you sign up for Time Yellow Brick Formula Challenge. Number 1. Live 5-day masterclass. 5 days of immersive hands-on training with Shane Dunho, teaching you step by step how to master the one skill that builds real wealth without worry. Number 2. Proven business system. Learn a proven, repeatable system that requires no products, marketing, or ads. This is the same strategy that has generated millions and takes just 30 to 60 minutes a day to implement. Number 3. Private Discord server. Gain access to our private community of like-minded entrepreneurs where you can share insights, ask questions, and build a listing connection for continuous support during the sprint. Free bonuses. Bonus 1. Session replays. Number 2. Session transcripts and sleep notes. Number 3. Exclusive VIP mini group session. Number 4. Ask Shane anything. And number 5. Trade tracking tool. And a special price for attendance. Special price $100 daily AHSA prices. Special price 2 $1,000 business founding giveaway. And special price 3 runner-up prizes. Normally value of everything $2,997, but today fully free. You will get all of this for just a one-time payment of only $19. So guys, grab your yellow brick formula now. To get this yellow brick formula, please check my description box. Click the yellow brick formula sales page link below. Then you will be directed to the yellow brick formula sales page. Watch full product sales video and read the full sales page for more information. After that, make your decision with yellow brick formula. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and feel free to leave any question you have about the yellow brick formula in the comments. I'll catch up you in the next video.